Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can increase the quality of an image in Photopea. So let's get right into it. Now, when I say increase the quality, there is no specific tool to increase it. You cannot just up the quality of the photo. The quality of the photo is specifically tied to the camera that took the photo, and there is no other way to increase the quality of the image. Of course, there might be an option if you've downloaded an image online that you've possibly downloaded a low resolution picture. In that case, I would recommend that you search for a higher resolution one, since you cannot up the resolution of the picture. However, what you can do if you're just trying to display it somewhere is resize it, since if a picture with a low resolution gets enlarged, then it will have a low resolution. It'll look extremely pixelated, and the only thing you can do in that case is to resize the image, and you can very easily do that just to make it smaller. Now, to do this in Photopea, you just need to resize it by choosing image and go into image size, and you just enter a new image size, and you can also enter a new DPI value. However, I would recommend you just change the image size. Of course, it just needs to be smaller than it already is, and it should just appear better, and it won't look as pixelated in a smaller size. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.